Well, welcome to Real Pete. This is my first attempt at a cooking video. This is actually inspired by a photo series that I did for the 2023 Notre Dame football season, where I would post pictures of the food that I created. I got a lot of love and support from it, so I decided to try to do a video. It's wicked early in the morning. People are going to start waking up and chaos is going to ensue, and I don't know what's going to happen. But I got to get it into the fridge. It has to chill for 6 hours. I am going to make a French silk pie. Earlier in the month, my daughter fell in love with it. She was at a gala. They had a bunch of it. She just ate French silk pie. But I'm going to title this series The Hot Mess. There's two things that I want to make very clear. I am not a trained chef. Follow a recipe. I don't do anything special. I don't have any strong technique. I just throw things in a bowl and hopefully it's good. There are 2 rules that I have to live by when I'm cooking, is that I don't chop off a finger and that I don't burn the house down. So as long as I do that, I consider that a success. So what it's requiring is 20 Oreos crushed up with melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 8 ounces of chocolate that's going to be melted, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 1 1/3 cup of heavy cream, and 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar. We have everything here. My wife just woke up, so let's get this going. The first thing we're going to do is make the fries. So it's requiring 20 Oreo cookies now. I don't want to wake up the kids or the entire house, so I'm just going to try to do this all by hand. This is really good. So basically, this is the one key. Love it. Chocolate chips nice and melted. I can never find anything when I need it. Doing a lot of new things today, and it is turned into a hot mess. So what had happened is that I melted the chocolate, set it aside, a little bit too long. I added the vanilla to it. Not a good idea. Turned it into putty. Turned it into putty. And while I was messing with the chocolate, after I was doing the eggs and sugar, that cooked the eggs. So welcome to my cooking world. Y'all wanted a cooking show. You got it. And what I need to do now is go to the store. I need to get more chocolate and take a deep breath and come back. All right, so I put in 1.5 cups of butter and it's going to be and I don't look at the camera. Okay, so I have to make the butter light and fluffy, and then I'm going to add the chocolate mixture. I'm doing whipping cream, and basically it's like 1 1/3 cup, and I'm going to make peaks. So basically I'm just going to go until peaks start forming. I'm going to try to slow this down and making a mess. I'm just adding 4 teaspoons. You know, you ever notice, like, I'm putting this plus 4 teaspoons, but you ever notice, like, in cooking shows, they say a teaspoon of salt? I mean, a teaspoon of salt is like this. But when they put it in, it's like, it's like a cup. I don't know what they do. It's just, does it look bigger? I don't know what I'm saying, but it just seems like it's a lot more than the actual 1 teaspoon. And it, yeah. So there's that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. 4 teaspoons. If I didn't say that, powdered sugar. Of course, I overfilled the pie. Took a little taste of it. It tastes pretty good though. So I went ahead and put the pie in the fridge to chill. It's gonna chill for like 6 hours. When I talk about my cooking being a hot mess, this is me. Now, let's put this in perspective. I've never made a cooking show before in my life, and it adds a little tricky. It's a little trickery. I'm gonna get better at this. It didn't help that I was making something that is delicate and that I have never done before, so there's that. I had to take a break because I ruined the egg mixture and the chocolate mixture. I had to go to the store and get some more stuff, so I am been at this for almost 2 hours because I don't know what I'm doing, and that's okay, because you know what, the next one's only gonna get better. Alright, you gotta give me let me know what you think.
What is it? I want to try. What is it? Is it chocolate?
What? You like the pie?
Thing that was kind of like this, like kind of looks like this, and it looks really different. And I want chocolate.
It's amazing.
You can eat it.